to you the Kiamba Tourism Development Plan for 2025 to 2030, 6 years to. And this plan is bottoms up. No? So, hindi kami nag-dictate, but it only came from the members of the TWG in consultation with many of the stakeholders of the tourism. So, plano po natin ito. Plano ninyo. So, to start with, syempre, it's tourism. We want to push, to make tourism one of the key drivers sa Kiamba. Syempre, anong ba ating bebenta sa tourism? Yung ating attractions. No? So, we have so many attractions, the whole of Kiamba. Yung po yung mapa, we map the different attractions. Yung orange, yun po yung existing, emerging, existential. Marami tayong attractions, but ito po yung mapa ng province. Sa mata ng province, but when we did a lot of consultation, dami pa yung ating projects. So isang existing, 12 emerging, at 28 sites na potential. Ano yung mga sites na yun? We have 17 beach sites, 10 nature, 5 history and culture, and 9 other sites. Ito yung listahan nila. We have 42 sites. No? Yan yung nasa listahan ng region. When we did the TWG, sabi namin hindi lang 40, 74 and more. No? Because ito yung listahan ng municipal, ito yung atin. Sa atin, we already have 25 existing. When you say existing, may permit na, may ECC na, hindi lang recognize ng province at ng region kasi hindi pa abot sa standard na gusto nila. Emerging, we have 27. Potential, we have 71 versus the 41 lang ng province. So we still have to do a lot para medyo maamot naman yung fund of these sites. In terms of attraction type, we have this much. No? We have 27 beaches, pero 17 lang recognized ng province. We have 22 nature sites, 12 lang, and etc.